Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to check games capability and system requirement in Microsoft Store. So let's take a look how to do that. For that I'm going to open my Microsoft Store in my computer, and then I'm going to search here any game. So for example, I'm going to type here Asphalt, and then I'll get here Asphalt related all the games. In here, if you try to looking for these games for which operating system or what specification needed, you can easily scroll down, and here you can see available on, you can see it's available on PC, it's available on Xbox Live Preferences, Xbox Live Club. So you can use this, you can play these games with these three category device. And then also if you go looking for what's the system requirement for these games, you can click here system requirement. You can easily see here what Windows system and what etc details it will minimum, what processor or what graphic card or what memory should have in your PC. So this is how you can easily find out any games it's supported where, or what the minimum qualification or specification needed in your PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.